in love with.
What's up YouTube, Eastern PA Fishing here. The date is June 9th and I'm at the Wissahickon Watershed. I don't know if you can see the sign over there. Anyway, I got myself a few different baits and a couple rods. I brought my bike with me here today. I'm gonna be doing a little fishing. Hopefully we're gonna catch a bunch of different fish. It should be a good episode, so stay tuned. If you like this channel and dope fishing videos, make sure to subscribe. Eastern PA Fishing here. You know what it is by now. Let's get right to the fishing. One of the great things about bringing a bike, you have to go up and down bridges. Water's up pretty high today. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm trying to hold my bike and show you guys at the same time with my fishing rods. There's a lot to do, but yeah, there's bridges here. It's getting mobile. It rained a lot, so will be muddy. If I sound a little weird, I have pretty bad allergies right now. I'm just feeling going crazy from being around all these trees and pollen and plants and weeds. This is a little vernal pond. Shows you the little life cycle of the frog. Starts as a tadpole, then it goes through metamorphosis and it becomes the American toad, not a frog, whatever. Oh, they start as eggs, my bad. Whatever, and then they got the little red-backed salamander there. In front of you is a special type of waterland called a vernal pond. Vernal ponds are temporary pools of water created by the snow melt and spring rains, many drying up during the summer. Great. Let's move on. Probably get one first cast. Yep, I think we got one. Yep. That's a little smallmouth. Hoist him up. I want to spook all the other ones. Little smallmouth. She ate that as soon as I threw it in there. Pretty little fish. There she is. Let's get it back. Didn't want to throw her too far, but I want to spook all the other ones down there. Let's see if we can get another one. Oh, got this one. Another little smallmouth. There we go. Second one of the day. Another little creek smallmouth from the Wissahickon. Get that one back. Right back under that rock. Good old faithful. Faithful bass returning to where they belong. I got something. Ah, it came off. Oh no, it's swimming with me. Oh crap. A rock bass. A lot of people confuse these guys for green sunfish. Oh, I was gonna show you the difference, but too late for that. I'll catch another. Well guys, we got another bridge. I'm too old to ride down steps. Gotta keep my teeth in my brain. The Green Ribbon Trail starts in Flowertown, goes all the way to Lancaster. A lot of people don't know that. As most people know, bridges are a great place to catch fish. Let's see if there's any under this one. And there we go. Thought I saw something chasing. Oh man. Well, that was a little smallmouth. There we go. Redbreast. First panfish of the day. There you go. Little guy. This does not feel like a panfish. It's because it's not. It's a little largemouth bass. First one of these guys for the day. Little mosquito hooks hook him right on the lip. There he is. Beautiful little largemouth. That felt good. He resides in this spot. Oh, feisty. It's another little red breast, I think. Yep. Another little red breast. Another feisty one. This one's pregnant. Oh, I was going to show you your belly, but too late for that. Right in front of me. That's not a bad one. Dang, look at how pregnant this. Look at how pregnant this red breast is. How pale as well. Oh, there she goes. Have a good time. Dang. I was wheeling that in. This largemouth just came out and smoked that. Out of nowhere. Where did you come from, dude? Look at this creek, Largie. That is a pretty little bass. Yeah, he came out of nowhere and smoked that. There he goes. Alright, I think this might be my last cast here. Not trying to waste too much time. Might have time for one more spot after this. Well, after this fish. Ooh, look at this. Strange little red breast. There he is. Look at this little guy. Little fat one. If you're wondering how far I made it so far, I'm at Mathers Crossing, founded by the Wissahickon Garden Club, Wissahickon Watershed Valley Association. Look at these falls. Holy smokes, guys. Look at that. You ever see this at the Wissahickon? Probably not. Neither have I. Man, this is cool. Alright guys, so we made it up about as far as we're gonna go today. We trekked, I'm guessing, at least 4 or 5 miles on bike. I walked a little bit too, well, a lot too, carrying my bike. Anyway, I'm getting a little tired, a little hungry, so I'm probably gonna head back to the crib, re-up on some fuel, and then get back out here and do some more fishing. It's a pretty good day. Almost everything we caught today came on these little Mr. Crappie little pink 2-inch grubs. The color is electric chicken, the little pink grub with a little yellow tail. Anyway, yeah, those things are fire. I'm just fishing them on my little light Daiwa Samurai rod and reel combo. I got two little split shots on there, and a little mosquito hook, those little weed on the end of there or whatever. That's what I was fishing. That's how I was getting on them. They seem to like it, and I do too. Anyway, Eastern PA Fishing here. You know what it is by now. Like and subscribe for more, and keep on fishing. I'm in love with